Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we've got a parcel and it's from Meadowmania. So I'm going to join along and open it with you. So I'm really excited because this is going to be a great help for the allotment. So let me show you what we've got. So we've got a parcel from Meadowmania. Meadowmania has over 60 years of experience producing the highest quality seeds and plants, and they're very passionate about British wildflowers and seed. They've also got some tools on their website, so I'm excited to be able to check out some of their tools. So what have we got in our bag? So first of all, we've got a little note from Meadowmania. We are super excited to send you this little box of joy. Get ready for your garden to burst with colour this summer. We're a small family-run business with over 60 years of experience, dedicated to helping gardeners and professionals create beautiful natural spaces. Thank you so much for being part of this campaign and helping us share the joy of growing wildflowers. We'd love to see your content. Please tag us and use Add Gifted so we can share it. So, first of all, we've got a Meadowmania hat. So we've got some of the hottest temperatures at the moment, so it's always an ideal to wear a hat. I never do, but I should do. So this is going to be a great addition for the allotment. So we've got Meadowmania British wildflowers on the hat. We've got little vents on the top of the hat, and we can also clip up the sides with our popper. We've got a chin strap, we've got a lever toggle, so we can even use this during the hot weather. So that's going to be great. I need to stick that on. But the most impressive thing is this Hori Hori knife. And this is absolutely amazing. Meadowmania, and it is really, really big. So we've got Meadowmania Hori Hori knife. The Hori Hori knife is a traditional Japanese gardening tool that originated 13th to 14th century. The word hori means to dig in Japanese, with its shaped, curved, serrated blade, perfect for digging, cutting through roots, breaking up compacted soil. So that's going to be great there. Hori Hori knife is a multifunctional tool which combines capabilities of a knife, saw and a digging tool all in one. Perfect for tasks like weeding, transplanting seedlings, dividing plants. So that's really, really handy. So let's going to take a look at this. Just undo the nice tags. And look at that. That is really heavy. That is really heavy. That is really good. So I was reading there, it's crafted from high quality steel, featuring a smooth ash handle, and the Hori Hori knife is both durable and comfortable to use. The included sheath allows for easy, safe carrying on a tool belt, and it's always within easy reach when you need it the most. So let's look at this. Whoa, look at that, that is absolutely amazing. We've got the Meadowmania logo, a nice handle, and look at this. We've got the measurements, millimeters, inches. So when do you need measurements on the allotment or in the garden and can't find a ruler? This is going to be great. We've got a serrated edge, great for cutting roots, and then we've got a sharpened edge, ideal for tackling those digging tasks. A nice point on the front. That is really good. So I'm really, really pleased with that. And it's a real good, real nice heavy size. Look at that. That is absolutely wonderful. I so wanted one of these for so long, and I really don't want to get it dirty. But it's got to be done.
sun on my back, dirt in my nails. The spade sings a tune as it tells its tales. Body perfume rising slow in this little patch where my veggies grow. Digging and dreaming under the sky, pulling the weeds, waving them goodbye. The ground is alive and it's whispering to me. Plant a little hope and let it be free. A stubborn root laughs as I pull and I tug. It's a waltz of the wild, a gardener's hug. The robins watch, they nod their heads, while worms have a party in their muddy beds. Oh, the soil it hums, oh, the spade it glows. Every seed I plant, a story grows. Digging and dreaming under the sky, pulling the weeds, waving them goodbye. The ground is alive, it's whispering to me. Plant a little hope and let it be free. Rows of green like a marching band, tomatoes salute, cucumbers stand, carrots hide, but I know their plan. They're dancing underground, hand in hand. Digging and dreaming under the sky, pulling the weeds, waving them goodbye. The ground is alive, it's whispering to me. Plant a little hope and let it be free. Digging and dreaming under the sky, pulling the weeds, waving them goodbye. The ground is alive, it's whispering to me. Plant a little hope and let it be free. Plant a little hope and let it be free.
So thank you, Julie, for my great hat and my Meadowmania Hori Hori knife. And I'll add all the description, all the details, the links in the description below. So please check it out and support a local supplier. And that'd be really, really great. So thank you very much. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos. And check out this channel here for the next video. Cheers.